Hey everybody, happy May the 4th be with you and happy Cinco de Mayo. Hopefully you guys are enjoying both. They're both amazing holidays. Today's random Belric question comes from the movie The Matrix. Now in the movie, the main character doesn't know how to fight and he can like sit in his chair, plug something into his head and download Kung Fu and learns everything about Kung Fu in a matter of seconds and learns all kinds of different fighting styles. So I want to ask you, if you could download anything to your brain and learn it in a moment, what would you pick? Now mine that I decided was I would want to learn how to play the violin because I have no music ability, and so it would just be really nice to cheat and learn it like that. So that's what I would pick. I would choose the violin. So share with me, let me know what you would choose. I'm excited to see your answers. And then to kind of review on here, last time we finished our Unit 4 learning target. We got that finished, so I will be grading those this week so you guys know where your grades are at. And then once you finish the Belric questions, they're kind of short today because I don't want to overwhelm you guys with our workload. Once you finish the Belric questions, make sure you go to the day 34 slides. And I am excited for our lesson I'm excited for the lesson today. It's one that I really enjoy, and I'll have another video for you guys to help you out with it as well, but it's a good one. So make sure to jump into that and submit your Belric when you're done, and I will see you guys soon.